topic for today is voice. As you all know, that in the last class we were discussing the transformation of sentences, and I have told you a number of things about the transformation. Why do we need it? How do we do it? And also in the last class we learned about the basics of transformation, like the assertive to negative, and so on and so forth. Today our topic of discussion is voice. So what is voice? I am sure that you have your metric also. So now, before going on to the details that what is active, what is passive, first of all I want to tell you what is voice. Now voice, in grammar, voice describes the relationship between the verb and its participles. To make it more clear for you, I will write a sentence. I teach you. Now, in this sentence you can see that we have this teach, which is the action or the verb of the sentence, and we have the participants, that is the I and the you. Now what is voice? Voice tells us that whether we are focusing more on the doer or we are focusing more on someone who is observing the action. Now if I tell you that voice is of two types, if I tell you that voice is of two types, now what are those two types? They are active and passive. And obviously there will be a question in your mind, ma'am, what is active and what is passive, or the performer of the action? Then in your sentence, the participant who is performing the action or the verb, your focus is more on the participant, that is active. Now if you change your focus from this subject or the performer to the object or the observer of the action, then it becomes a passive voice. Now you will tell me that, ma'am, what kind of a sentence is this that you have written here? So for that my answer will be, it is an active voice. Okay, I hate people
looking at me. Change this sentence into question.
What I do it? I will change my focus from the doer to the observer. I will change it into, you are taught by me. Now
today date is 1st of August 2022. Today we will read one of the important topic of English grammar, that is conditional sentences. Conditional sentences are in open condition. There will be structure of in both sides, of if clause and independent clause. We will follow the pattern will be of the present simple tense. Present simple and present simple. For example, if it rains, sorry, I am writing in another example. If I go home early, my father doesn't scold me. In the both sides, in if clause and in independent clause, we are following present simple. We are going to discuss about second type of conditional sentence, that is imaginary conditional sentences.
ठीक है इसमें कोई
imaginary-
कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ लो अगर आप इसमें
Just sit down. Okay.